Not all plants need constant attention. Some plants grow better when left alone. These perennials survive drought, poor soil, and missed watering. In this video, you'll discover perennials that thrive with minimal care. Daylilies are extremely resilient. They tolerate heat and drought. Once established, they require little care. Blooms return every year. Coneflowers thrive in tough conditions. They prefer full sun and dry soil. Overwatering weakens them. Less care improves growth. This plant loves neglect. It survives heat and poor soil. Blooms appear reliably each season. Minimal maintenance is enough. Sedum stores water in its leaves. It thrives in dry soil. Too much water causes damage. Perfect for hands-off gardens. Lavender prefers neglect over attention. It needs full sun and excellent drainage. Frequent watering reduces lifespan. Simple care produces stronger plants. Russian sage handles heat and drought easily. It thrives in poor soil. Heavy fertilizing is unnecessary. Natural conditions suit it best. Yarrow survives in dry, harsh environments. It spreads slowly without help. Overfeeding reduces blooms. Neglect keeps it healthy. Coreopsis blooms with minimal care. It tolerates heat and drought. Occasional trimming is enough. Perfect for low-maintenance gardens. Less effort does not mean poor results. The right plants grow better naturally. Choose perennials that match your lifestyle. Your garden will thrive over time.